Hello everyone, I am Arpana. Welcome to our channel. Today in our tutorial, we are focusing on project communication management. As we all know, a successful project depends on good team communication. Let us begin with the introduction of the tutorial. Today we are going to talk about what is communication, modes of communication, project communication management. There are three processes of project communication management: plan communication management, manage communication, and monitor communications. Moving to next slide. These are the objectives of our tutorial. Define communication and project communication management. Identify different methods of communication methods, technologies and channels. Explain the elements of a basic communication model. Describe the process involved in project communication management. Moving to next slide. What is communication? Communication is best defined as the exchange of information and expression of ideas, thoughts, and feelings between two entities. Communication is the process of exchanging information, ideas, thoughts, feeling between individuals or groups. It is an essential tool for human interaction, enabling people to share knowledge, building relationships, and achieve common goals, generally spoken. Communication can take many forms, including verbal, nonverbal, written, and visual. Verbal communication involves spoken or written words, while nonverbal communication includes body language, facial expression, and tone of voice. Written communication can take various forms, including emails, letters, reports, while visual communication involves conveying information through image, charts, and graphs. Effective communication is essential for building trust, resolving conflicts, and achieving shared objectives. Communication skills can be developed through practice and training, and they are essential in a wide range of fields, including business, education, and in other sectors. Moving to next slide. Uh, Look at the project management process map. There are 10 knowledge areas in project management. We are focusing on project communication management. Now, the importance of communication in project management. Good communication is a vital component in project management, allowing project to progress smoothly and on time. Good communication helps in coordinating project activities. Good communication ensures that project activities are coordinated and aligned with the project plan, allowing team members to work together seamlessly and avoid unnecessary delay or duplication of efforts. It helps in manage project risk. Communication helps to identify and manage project risk, allowing project managers to take proactive measures to mitigate potential issues before they become major problem. Effective communication is which helps in building trust and relationship among team members. Effective communication builds trust relationship between team members, stakeholders, and project sponsor. This fosters a positive work environment and encourages collaboration, which can lead to better project outcomes. Moving to next. There are communication methods. There are four types of communication methods: written, verbal, formal, informal. Written formal can be project management plan, project charter, long distance communication like emails. Written informal can be emails, notes. Verbal formal can be presentations. Verbal informal can be conversation, communication between different team members. And moving to next, definition of project communication management. Project communication management is the knowledge area that involves the process necessary to ensure timely and appropriate generation, collection, dissemination, storage, and ultimate disposition of project information. It includes planning, managing, and monitoring project communication throughout the project life cycle. And from next slide, Donna will introduce to process in communication management.
So, according to the PMBOK guide, there are three processes in the project communications management knowledge area. They are plan communications management, manage communications, and monitor communications. Plan communication management is the process of developing an effective communication plan for a project to ensure that the right information is delivered to the right stakeholders at the right time using the right communication methods and channels. This belongs to the planning process group. Stakeholder register, project management plan, organizational process assets, and enterprise environmental factors are inputs to this process. First techniques used here is the communication requirements analysis, where the communication requirements of each stakeholders are analyzed and categorized. Next, we can decide on the communication technology, including email, post-mail, or fax, etc. Finally, we understand how communication really happens with communication models and various communication methods used. Communication management plan is the primary output of this process, and sometimes some other project documents may also get updated as a result. We cannot plan everything with the process in plan communication management, so managed communication takes care of responding to those unexpected requests for information. Managed communication is done throughout the project life cycle. This belongs to the executing process group. Communication management plan, work performance reports, organizational process assets, and enterprise environmental factors are inputs to this process. The main output of this process are communication messages throughout the project. Besides, outputs also includes updates on project management plan, project documents, and organizational process assets. Control communications involves monitoring and controlling the communications across the project to ensure that the information needs of stakeholders are met and that communication occurs in an effective and efficient manner. This belongs to the monitoring and controlling process groups. The inputs to this process are project communications, issue log, project management plan, work performance data, and organizational process assets. Some techniques like seeking expertise advice from different stakeholders are used in this process. The major output of this process is the work performance information, change requests, and updates on project management plan, project documents, and organizational process assets. To summarize this tutorial, first, communication is a two-way process of transferring information from one entity to the other. Second, there are four commonly used communication methods. They are formal written, formal verbal, informal written, and informal verbal. Third, project manager is the one who is responsible for timely availability of information to all stakeholders. And finally, the three processes in project communications management are plan communications management, manage communications, and monitor communications. This is the end of our tutorial. Thank you, and hope you have learned something from it.